Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the fourth element HydroT rash vest. So this is kind of a loose fit rash vest. It comes in both a long sleeve and short sleeve. I've got the short sleeve with me here. There's a long sleeve in this bag. I was going to show it to you, but really it's just longer sleeves. Actually, the more exciting thing is actually the packaging that it comes in. I'll show you that in a second. So the HydroT itself, so it's a loose fit tee. So if you don't like the really sort of body hugging rash vest, then this is one to look for. This is made out of approximately 4 recycled plastic bottles, so it's actually really good for the environment, but it just feels like any other rash vest. Nice and stretchy. You've got this sort of flat stitch, which is really comfortable. That's soft against your skin. They all come in 2 different colors. This is the sort of azure blue. Sorry, that's the azure blue. This one's a different blue there. They all have sort of fancy names to them. But yeah, the main benefit of them is that they are UV sort of 50 plus rated. So they're acting a lot like sunscreen. So that way you don't have to use quite as much sunscreen, because a lot of sunscreens are actually quite bad for the environment. They leach into the water, which with a rash vest, none of that leaches into the water. So it's not damaging the reef, but it's still protecting you. So yeah, so they are environmentally friendly, and that extends to the packaging as well. It kind of looks like a plastic bag, but when you feel it, it's a different type of plastic, and this is actually recyclable, and that's the way that Fourth Element is going with their Ocean Positive range. So the actual packaging that it comes in is actually recyclable, which is really good for the environment, and yeah, you get yourself a nice fancy rash vest. So yeah, if you're going somewhere sort of nice and warm, you don't want to use sort of too much sunscreen. They also protect from marine bumps and scrapes, and obviously rashes from your wetsuit, so it doesn't sort of rub in any particular area. It's going to protect from a few marine sort of bumps and scrapes, and a few like jellyfish stings as well. So yeah, all in all, you definitely need a rash vest, whether you're just snorkeling or whether you're sort of scuba diving somewhere nice and sunny. This is the Fourth Element HydroT rash vest. Thanks for watching. Safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.